Geometry chapter we were doing, and the 2 lectures I have uploaded in the playlist. Now it's time to proceed the lesson. The exercise 10a we were doing, and in that exercise we have done the few concepts about complementary angles, supplementary angles, and the angle they are the vertically opposite angle. Now the question number 5 we have done a part in the previous video. In the question, let me read the question again. Given that AOB is a straight line, it's mean ABCD. The question number 5 has 4 parts. So in each of the following parts there will be the line AOB, and that line must be the straight line. So let me check that this is the A part. AOB is a straight line. This is a B part. AOB is a straight line. Okay. C part. AOB is a straight line. And then this is the final last part of this question. AOB is a straight line. As previously we have discussed about the concept of the supplementary angle, that supplementary angle are those angle when we are adding all the angle on that line, so they must be equals to 180 degree. Previously we have done one of the part that A plus 33. A plus 33 is on the straight line AOB. So A plus 33 is equals to 180 degree, and then we will get the value of A. As similar, we are having the B part. In this part there is a straight line. AOB is a straight line. So let me focus this. B plus 42 degree and 73 degree. These are the angles. They are on a straight line. And we have discussed that when angles are forming, they are turning on a straight line, they must be equals to 180 degree. We are solving this B part. So that is exercise 10A D1 B part. I have drawn this on my sheet, and we have to make the equation for this. For this solution we can say as we know that. We know that this is a straight line AOB. So AOB is a straight line. Its mean B degree, 42 degree and 73 degree must be equals to 180 degree because of this straight line. So they are the supplementary angle. You can write the property also. They are supplementary angles. Now what you have to do, you have to add them because they are the like terms. We are finding the value of B. So it will be B degree plus 42 and 73 degree. They will be added together to make 115 degree equals to 180 degree. So we are finding the value of B, so we have to shift this 115 degree to the other side. It has a positive sign. After shifting, it will change its sign and make itself as a minus 115 degree. Then what you have to do, just simply subtract them together with each other, and you will get the value of B. So this is a straight line. By using this straight line, by using the property of the supplementary angle, what we have to do, we have find out the value of B. So now we are finding the next, that is the similar question number 5. In this part there is again a line that is AOB, and on this straight line we are having the angle 4C degree, 80 degree and C degree. Straight line, due to the straight line we can add them and we can equate them to 180 degree to make an equation. So how to make equation for this? As we know that. We know that 4C degree plus 80 degree plus C is equals to 180 degree. And what we are using? We are using the property of supplementary angle. So 4C degree and C, they are the like terms. First we are going to arrange them, and then we can add them. 4c plus 1c, it will be 5c degree. At the same time, you can shift this 80 degree to the other side. This 80 degree has positive sign. After shifting to the other side of the equation, it will change its sign as 180 degree minus 80 degree. Then simply it is 100 degree and it is c. As c and 5, they are in the multiple form with each other. So when we will shift to the other side of the equation, because we are finding the value of c, so this 5 will be the denominator of this 100. 5 ones are 5 and 5 twos are 10 and then 20. So the value of c is 20 degree. Again, by using the property of the supplementary angle, we have find out the value of the variable that is unknown. C is equals to 28. AOB is a straight line as written in the question. So there is a line AOB. This is a straight line. On this straight line, we are having two angles. One of the angle is 4D plus 16 and the next angle is 2D plus 14. And they are asking to find the value of unknown in each of the following figure. So in this figure, the unknown is D, that is the variable. So what we have to do, we have to make a statement that is 4D plus 16 plus 2D plus 14 degree is equals to 180 degree. Why we are making this equation? Because they are supplementary angles. Why they are supplementary angles? Because they are forming on a straight line, that is AOB. Now 4D and 2D, they are the like terms. Write them together to make our question easier. 16 and 14 along with their sign, they can be written in 180 degree. 4 and 2 will be added because 4D and 2D, they are the like terms. So they will be 6D degree. 16 and 14 will be added together to make 30 degree equals to 180 degree. We are finding the value of D. It's mean this 6 and this 30 should not be here. So shift this 30 degree to the other side of the equation. Now it will change its sign, positive to negative. 6D as similar. After shifting 180 minus 30, it will be 150 degree and 6D. We are finding the value of D. So D should be stay here and 150 should be divided by 6. 6 and D, they are in the multiple form. After shifting, it will convert its condition and it will make itself as a denominator of 150 degree. Then cancel them by using the table of 6. It will be 25 degree. So they were asking about the unknown. Unknown was the variable, that is D, and by using such process we have find out the value of D. That is the question number 5D. We have done A part of this question, B, C and D, and now we will come in the next video inshallah with any other question of the similar exercise. So if you will like my explanation, then you can subscribe the channel, you can like the video, and thank you for watching. Allah Hafiz.